I'm in Bitola to check the projects that European Union has been doing in the city so far. There are plenty of cross-border cooperation projects that we have done. I met Mayor to discuss with her the future projects that we can do to help citizens of Bitola. And I will conclude my visit with lunch with artists to hear also their view and to learn more about the artist scene in Bitola.
It's quite a success, huh?
Yeah.